See one more question here. Find the ratio of the following. We have to find out ratio of 55 paise to ₹1. Students, at the starting only I told that to compare any two quantities or to find out ratio, the numbers must be in same unit. Now here one number is in paise, another number is in rupees. So first convert that rupees into paise. Therefore ₹1 means we know that 100 paise. Right? Therefore ratio of 55 paise to ₹1 means we have to find out ratio of 55 paise to 100 paise. Okay, so therefore 55 paise upon 100 paise, that is both numbers we can divide by 5. So 5 11s are 55 and 5 20s are 100. Therefore paise got cancelled. Therefore 11 upon 20 we can write as 11:20. One more example you can see here, 500 ml to 2 liters. Now here see one number is in milliliter, another number is in liters. So first convert that liters into milliliter. Therefore we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Therefore 2 liters is equal to 2000 milliliter. Therefore 500 ml divided by 2 liters means 2000 ml. Now here you can see students, these two zeros and these two zeros will get cancelled. So 5 upon 20 will remain, as well as ml will get cancelled. Now this 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, 1 upon 4 will be the lowest term, that is 1:4. Therefore the ratio of 500 ml to 2 liters is equal to 1:4. See one more question here. In a college, out of 4320 students, 2300 are girls. Find the ratio of number of girls to the total number of students. Now here we need to find out ratio of number of girls to the total number of students. We have total number of students, that is 4320, and number of girls 2300. Therefore ratio of girls to the total number of students is 2300 upon 4320. That is equal to, now this 0 and this 0 can be cancelled. Now 230 upon 432, both number we can divide by 2, so it will become 115, and this will become 216. Therefore this is the ratio, 115 is to 216. This is the required ratio of girls to the total number of students. One more example you can see here in same question. Number of boys to the number of girls we have to find out ratio. Now we know that number of girls 2300. Number of boys is not given, but total number of students given. Therefore number of boys is equal to total number of students minus number of girls. Therefore number of boys is 2020 and number of girls we have already. Therefore ratio of boys to that of girls is, what is the number of boys? 2020, girls 2300. Therefore here we can see this 0 cancel, 202 and 230 we can divide both numbers by 2. Therefore it will become 101 upon 115. Therefore this we can write as 101:115. So this is the required ratio of boys to that of girls. In that only one more question you can see, number of boys to the total number of students. Number of boys, that is total number of students minus number of girls, that is 2020. Total number of students 4320, already it is given. Therefore ratio of boys to the total number of students is number of boys 2020 upon total number of students 4320, that is 101 upon 216, that is 101:216. Here see this 0 got cancelled, both numbers you divide by 2, you will get this number. Now here we do not have any common factor, therefore this will be the ratio, that is 101:216 is the what? Ratio of boys to the total number of students. Next question is, cost of a dozen pens is ₹180 and cost of 8 ball pens is ₹56. Find the ratio of the cost of a pen to the cost of a ball pen. Now here cost of dozen pens is given as well as cost of 8 ball pens is given, and they are asking to find out the ratio of a pen and a ball pen. Therefore we know that cost of dozen pens means what? Cost of 12 pens, that is ₹180. Therefore cost of 1 pen is equal to ₹180 divided by 12, that is ₹15. And cost of 8 ball pens is given ₹56. Therefore cost of 1 ball pen is ₹56 upon 8, that is ₹7. Now we have cost of 1 pen, that is ₹15, and cost of 1 ball pen, that is ₹7. Therefore ratio of cost of 1 pen to that of 1 ball pen is equal to 15 upon 7, that is 15:7. See one more question here. Mother wants to divide ₹36 between her daughters Shreya and Bhumika in the ratio of their ages. If the age of Shreya is 15 years and age of Bhumika is 12 years, find how much Shreya and Bhumika will get. Means this 36 rupees we have to distribute among Shreya and Bhumika, but in the ratio of their edges. So first we are going to find out ratio of their edges. Ratio of their edges is equal to 15 upon 12, that is 5 upon 4. Both numbers are divided by 3. So we got ratio 5:4. Now rupees 36 divide between them in the ratio of 5:4. Now before dividing that, we must know that sum of the terms of the ratio. Now here 5 and 4 are the terms of the ratio. So first we have to find the sum of that both the terms, that is 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Now we are going to divide that amount rupees 36 among them. We know that out of that 9 parts, 5 parts will get Shreya and 4 parts will get Bhumika. Therefore Shreya get 5 parts out of 9 of what? Rupees 36. Of means what? Multiplication. Okay, 5 upon 9 as it is, 36 as it is. Now 9 fours are 36 here. This 9 ones are 9 and 9 fours are 36. Therefore 5 fours are 20 rupees will get Shreya. In the same way, Bhumika will get out of 9 4 parts of what? Rupees 36. Of means what? Multiplication. 4 upon 9 as it is. Now here this 36 as it is. 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36 again. Now 4 fours are 16 rupees will get Bhumika. Therefore in the ratio of 5:4, as per ratio this 5:4, Shreya will get 20 rupees and Bhumika will get 16 rupees. So in this way we can divide any number between terms of ratios. Next question is, present age of father is 42 years and that of his son is 14 years. Find the ratio of present age of father to the present age of son. We know that present age of father is 42 years and present age of son is 14 years. Therefore 42 upon 15, that is equal to, both numbers are divisible by 14. So 14 ones are 14 and 14 threes are 42. Therefore 3 upon 1 is the answer, that is 3:1. Therefore ratio of present age of father to the present age of son is 3:1. In that same example, one more question we can see. Find the ratio of age of father to the age of son when son was 12 years old. Now here, when son was 12 years old means what? 2 years ago, because present age is 14 years. Now when he was 12 years old means 2 years ago, yes or no? So when 2 years ago, what was the age of son? 12 years, and then father's age was 42 minus 2, that is 40 years. Therefore the ratio of their ages is 40 upon 12. Okay, now this both number we can divide by 4. 4 tens are 40 and 4 threes are 12, that is 10:3. Therefore the ratio of age of father to the age of this son when son was 12 years old is 10:3. One more question, see here. Find the ratio of age of father after 10 years to the age of son after 10 years. Now we know that present age of father and son, age of the father after 10 years is 42 plus 10, that is 52 years, and age of the son after 10 years will become 14 plus 10, that is 24 years. Now therefore ratio of their ages after 10 years will be 52 upon 24. Now here these both numbers are divisible by 4. So 4 13s are 52 and 4 6 are 24. Therefore ratio is 13 upon 6, that is 13:6 will be the ratio of their ages after 10 years. In that only one more question you can see. Find the ratio of age of father to the age of son when father was 30 years old. Now let's see, when father was 30 years old means what? That is 12 years ago. Present age of father is 42 years. Now what they are saying, to find out ratio of father to son when father was 30 years old means what? 12 years ago. Then son was 14 minus 12, that is 2 years old. When father was 30 years old, son was 2 years old. Therefore the ratio of their ages is 30 upon 2, that is 15 upon 1. Yes or no? Both numbers are divided by 2, that is 15:1. Therefore the ratio of father to the son when father was 30 years old is 15:1. See here one more question. Consider the statement, ratio of breadth and length of a hall is 2:5. Complete the following table that shows some possible breadths and length of the hall. Now here breadth is given 10, length is given 25. As per this ratio it is given. Now how we got 10 here? We multiply its length. See here 2:5 means what? 2 upon 5. So here its breadth is given that 2 and here length is given 5 in the given ratio. Now here this breadth is multiplied with 5, so that is why 5 2s are 10 we got as breadth, and length is multiplied with same number, that is 5 5s are 25. In the same way, to get this breadth and this length, by which number we have to multiply, that we need to find out. So here you can see students, here we have 10 and 25. So here 2 upon 5, that is when we'll multiply this 5 with 10, we'll get 50, and when we'll multiply same number, this numerator with 10, 10 to the 20 we'll get. Okay, in the same way here also we can see, after multiplying this 2 with 20, we got here 40, and so multiply this 5 also with 20, so 25 is a 100 we'll get here. So that required numbers are here 100 and here it is 20. So in this way we can solve this type of problems. Thank you students, and have a nice day.